Hello viewers, welcome. My name is Jim and this is my YouTube channel, Online Everything. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make up to $200 per day. Before we dive into the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon there, so that when I make a new video like this, you're gonna be the first to get it. So let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be talking about what is trending in the world. So we're going to be going to a website called Google Trends. When you click on Google Trends, you're going to see a page like this. So you're going to search on something called student loan forgiveness. Now when you click on it, it's going to bring up the statistics. It's loading. So as you can see, this is the student loan forgiveness, and it has gone up. It has gone skyrocketedly high during this pandemic period. Now many of you might be wondering what student loan is. Now student loan forgiveness, I'm sorry. So what it is that students, before the pandemic, students took a lot of loans hoping to pay back, but because of this pandemic they have not been able to pay back, and the time frame that they have agreed to pay back that loan is becoming thinner and thinner and thinner, and now they are looking for a way out of it. How are they going to get out of this mess they've gotten themselves in? They are unable to pay because they cannot work. Some are bartenders, and no bars are allowed to be opened, so they are crying out, how are they going to pay? And it is required of them by law to pay back these loans, because now they are in debt, trillions of dollars of debt. And now students, every day they are online searching for student loan forgiveness, and this is the volume. It has risen and it's still going up, as you can see. So now this is not a website that pays us. Now there's a website that pays us, a company that pays you for connecting these people that need this loan forgiveness to them, and they're going to pay you for every phone call that they get through your link to their own website. So, and the platform we're going to be using is OfferVault. If you go to Google, you search on OfferVault, it's going to bring you to this page. Now OfferVault helps to host different companies. Major companies post their whatever they want done for them on this website, and you and I, people like us, come here, fulfill these offers, and we get paid. Now if you go to OfferVault, you're going to search on student loan, as I have done here. If you click on it, if you search on student loan, it's going to bring up this page. You're going to see several student loans. Student loan consolidation, NSEZ, student loan refinancing. As you can see, for this offer they pay you $75. For this other offer they pay you $307. For this offer they pay you $200. Sorry. Now this offer that I'm talking about right now is restricted to only residents of the US. If you are not from the United States, you cannot do this offer, but you can scroll down and check for other offers that pertains to your country, because there are lots of offers here that you can do worldwide. Now if you click on this link, you're going to be brought to a page, that link, which is the NSEZ student loan refinancing. So you can see countries accepted is the United States, and you're going to be paid $200. Now how is it going to be done? Now like I said, this company, they'll pay you $200 for each student that is in debt, that makes a phone call through your link to their website. Let me go about it again. If you put your link out there, and the person that needs student loan forgiveness clicks on your link and finds their way to this website and makes a phone call, you're going to get $200. Now, how do you set this up? First of all, you click on join network. If you click on join network, you're going to be brought to a page like this. Yeah, this is the company affiliate. This is the company point click track. This is the company that is going to pay you. This offer bot is not going to pay you. Click point is the one that's going to pay you. Now, how you're going to do is just go click on sign up. If you sign up, you're going to be brought to this page. You fill in your details. Easy details, your address, your phone number, your password, your username, everything. Just easy steps. Now, once you've submitted your form, you're going to be given an affiliate link. Now, once they give you this affiliate link, it is through this link that you're going to be using to get people to this website. That is your unique link. So you join the network, you get your affiliate link, and now that you've gotten your affiliate link, what do you use it for? How are you going to get people to click your link? Now, I'm going to be showing you two easy ways to actually get people to click your link. First of all, you go over to YouTube, Facebook, search on student loan forgiveness. Once you bring up this, it will bring up the groups under student loan forgiveness. You're going to see there are lots of groups here, hundreds of groups. These groups are made for people. They are crying out. They are looking for solutions to get out of this mess that they've gotten themselves into. How are they going to pay it? Now they are not allowed to work, and they still have debts to pay. How are they going to? They are crying out. They're looking for forgiveness. They are looking for a way to extend this time. And this company, what that company does, this point clicks, it gives them an opportunity to extend the time allotted to them so that they can have ways to pay. They give them other ways to pay this loan consistently, because right now they are not allowed to work, and they cannot work 7 jobs at the same time. And right now it's to be harder for them to even get money to pay these loans that they owe. So once you go over to Facebook, you go to the student loans and forgiveness groups, and you go there, and now there's a trick to it. Once you've joined this group, you don't just go about pasting your links. No. You can just join as much groups as you can, and once you're accepted, you go there, and there's a format I'm going to give to you right now that you're going to use that's going to help you, because you can't just go to Facebook and post your links. Your post is going to be taken down. It's like your post is you won't even see your post, because it's going to be taken down so far down that if somebody comes to the group, they won't even notice your post, because there's a link in your post. You're not supposed to paste links in your post. So I'm going to give you a format. How are you going to do it? So I've written something here. Like a follow-up that you can use. So instead of the idea of this script is to get them engaged. How are you going to get them engaged? Because if you just post your link randomly, nobody's going to click it, because it's just be like spamming and nobody's going to look at it. But if you tell them, if you post something that will actually attract people, be like they want to know what you're talking about, they will actually get engaged. And when they get engaged, that's when you get their attention and you can actually advertise to them. Now you're going to be like crippling student loan solution. Number 1, debt forgiveness. Number 2, refinance and lower your monthly cost. Number 3, work 7 jobs. Be like, no, I can't work 7 jobs. Well, I might go 1 and 2. And you be like, number 1 and 2 are easy solution that this company is helping thousands of students do, and now they are interested. Which company is that? There's a company like that? And you'll be like, just comment info below for 1 and 2, or just go with number 3. Nobody wants to go with number 3. Number 3 is work 7 jobs. Nobody wants to work 7 jobs, and now they are interested. They are commenting info. And you have thousands of comments saying info, because there are so many students out there that need this student loan forgiveness. They're commenting info. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your time to go through every info comment. You're not going to message them directly. First of all, you're going to add them, because if you message them with your link directly, Facebook is going to mark your message as Facebook is going to mark your message as spam. So there's a high probability that your message might not go to them. But if you message them, if you add them first of all, and they're your friends, you message them, then you cannot tell them about the website. So that's the easy way to go, because other people might know this, might have the link to the website that pays, but they just go about these groups pasting their links, and those links, nobody clicks on them. But if you use this strategy that I'm showing you right now, people will get engaged. The idea is to engage them. Once you engage somebody, then you should have their attention, and once you have their attention, then that's all. Just advertise to them. You just have little work to advertise to them, and they'll buy from it. They'll just go through your link, and that's all. So the idea is not for you to paste your links in these groups. There are hundreds of groups, so many groups that you can paste, that you can actually use this format for, and you're gonna have hundreds. You can see for 14,000 members, 16,000 members, so many people to sell to. You understand? So for each person that makes a phone call, that goes through your link and makes a phone call to that website, you're getting $200. Imagine 10 people that are making $2,000 per day. If you can get 10 people to click your link and make a phone call, and there's so many students out there that need this help. So this is one way. Like I told you, I was going to give you two. If you go over to the college investor group, just go to Google, search the college investor. They'll give you a link. Then you can come to this page. Now, this is a forum where students with the same problem come to cry out, looking for solutions. As you can see, there are so many new posts. This one is about 237 posts. These are posts per day, 184 posts. So these forums, they are very, very lively. So now we're going to come. If you click on this student loan forgiveness, if you click on it, you're going to be brought into the forum where so many students are laying complaints, looking for a way out. There you can advertise to them, talk to them, tell them, wow, okay, see, look at how I got my own student loan forgiveness. You can go to this website. It's just to make a phone call, then you are going to get student loan forgiveness. They'll be like, okay, wow, let me check it out. They'll check it out, see for themselves, and they are going to be happy that they did. So you can advertise to so many people here, and there's so many people coming in, so many people. So this is just another way to do it. And so that's it. If you actually like this video and the video was helpful to you, it was educative enough, I would like you to give a thumbs up to this video, like this video, and comment on this video. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. I'm going to answer your questions. And like I said, if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos like this, legit videos that actually pay you money in these trying times. So till next time, thank you.